I'm Gerard Ayco, and this is my laboratory exercise 4. I'm going to set up 3 PCs and configure their IP address. Then I'm going to set up a hub. Connect it using automatically choose connection type. And after, I'm going to drag a router. I'm going to use 1841 router. Then it says to configure it. It says it's booting. Change the display name to Cisco 1 and the host name Cisco_1. Then go to the interface. I set it up in 192 on that one. Okay. I'm going to put a cover. First turn it off. Okay. Turn it on. Copy. And by the way, in the instruction in the laboratory exercise, the step 9 is not indicated here, so I have so I do what's supposed to do. I think in the step 9 that didn't mention, so I do something. I put a cover, so I put a cover here, so you can insert serial ID. Turn it on. On, copy. Then you have to connect it using the serial DC. Connect this using forgot this. forgot to turn it on. You can see it's blinking green. All of it are blinking green. What is the importance of routing? Routing is the transfer of data packets along the networks by determining the paths of the networks. Routing is more neat and smart way. It send precise data packets to their specific location. Why do we need a router? Why not use a switch or hub? Routers are network devices that transfer data packets along networks by determining the paths of the networks. The router acts in a more neat and smart way. It can send the precise data packets to their specific location. While hub is commonly used to connect segments of a LAN. A hub contains of multiple ports. When a packet arrives at one point, it is copied to the other ports so that all the segments of the LAN can see all the packets. We don't need that the device in our topology exercise. How about switch? Switch is a device that filters and forwards packets between LAN segments. We use a router because it can connect to at least two networks or LANs or ones. What is the important that each PC has a different IP address? What will happen if we will use the same IP address? We use different IP address to each PC because it's like a fingerprint of the PC in a network. So when the router receives a packet, the router will know where will it send it. It's like their name of a person, or most likely an address of that person that need that packets. If we will use in that PC the same IP address, it will not be applicable because the system will know that the IP address has already been taken. I conclude in this activity that what's the use of a router and how to add serial in a router, construct a LAN to LAN connection, and how to configure a router and give it an IP address, and how to turn it on and off.